The good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 11 from verse 29 to verse 32. Jesus talk about Jonah. When more and more people start to crowd around Jesus, him say, the people them in at that time are one wicked set of people. Them ask for one sign we would have proved that God send me. Them now get none. The only sign them all get is something like what did happen with Jonah. Just like how Jonah did a one sign for the Nineveh people them. As same so the man where God pick are gonna be one sign for the people them in at that time. Yeah. The queen will come from Sheba in the south. She gonna come back alive with the people them from that time. Yeah. She gonna show say them wrong. Cause she did come from far, far just for hear the wise sitting them where Solomon did have to say. But look here, somebody way bigger than Solomon, they right here so. The people from Nineveh are going to turn up on judgment day with the people them from that time here and show them, say them wrong. Cause when Jonah did warn the Nineveh people, them did sorry for what them do and change them ways. But look here, somebody way bigger than Jonah, they right here so. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God